Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going over the Cp2, the Mackie Cp2, and yeah, giving my thoughts about it after owning it for about a month, 2 months now. God, I will say I love it. So this thing is both mechanical and magnetic as well. And it's also limited, which is what I like about it too. Not a lot of these out there in the world. So the materials in this thing is blasted zirc on this side, and then in the middle, that's being sandwiched between these two, is brass. Adds a bit more weight to it, so I kind of like it. As well, it just also slides pretty well as well. Somebody added tape as well to this thing, which was pretty nice. So not that much friction at all. This thing came before the Mackie CP3. I don't know if you guys see my unboxing videos for that. In 1 second, I'll be right back. So yeah, here it is. This one came after this one. As you guys can see, it shrunk a lot. And yeah, this is fully magnetic. There you go. If I had to pick between these two, I couldn't. I love them both. Yeah, man, just weird. I like them both for some reason. That I just can't pick. I love the feel of like only the magnets in this one. And I also like this thing where it's a mechanical, like you just go smoothly down and then goes down with sound on this side. Like that. And also like the writing here. You can put like tritium 2s, I believe, in here as well to make it glow. But yeah, let me actually get you guys the weight of this thing. $102 grams. So yeah. And for the sound test, so 50 to 59 on the mechanical side. $74 to like 80, and then let's see both. So like 80 to 87. And if you guys are wondering about this thing, $81 as well. And this thing is also not brass. This is stainless steel, but it's gold plated. There you go. So yeah, I'm gonna put this aside because this video is about this guy. So yeah, would I recommend this thing? Absolutely. Like, if you guys can even find one of these, really hard to come by these days because it's pretty old product. So yeah, definitely recommend it. You guys check it out, pick one up, and you may not want to sell this thing after you try it. But yeah, I give this thing a 10 out of 10. I like it. Yeah, that'll be all. Oh yeah, this is number 74 out of 100 if you guys were wondering. The X stands for 4 because in China, number 4 is a bad luck number, as well as it means death as well. So 4 and death have the same word, I guess, or meaning. So yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn on any bell notifications. I have a lot of cool new videos coming out soon. Unboxing, reviews, comparison, tuning, you name it. As well as giveaways too. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn on any bell notifications, and see you guys in the next one.